This is Tom, and welcome to another CentreStack tutorial. What we're going to do is focus on migrating a share. Here we are on a Win Server 2012 R2. I've already installed CentreStack. So I've logged into my cluster control panel, and the first thing I'm going to do is create a tenant. Okay, so we'll go with admin. Okay. Alright, and we'll leave everything else alone. Hit continue. So let's just automatically assign some space. Alright, there we go. Now admin do, I'm going to edit this user. Okay, so let's reset the password. Alright, so this is done. And now I'm going to jump over to another machine that will pretend is far away through the internet in another location. And they have a file server there, and we want to migrate a share from that file server. So I'm going to log in using the username information that I was supplied by the admin. Okay, it's welcoming me. It's giving me a little tutorial. Go ahead and save that. Let's go up here, and what I need to do is install a server agent. Now this is a Windows Server 2016 machine. So it's a 64-bit. So I'm going to download this package. You can see it right here. Go ahead and hit run on that. I think we can get out of here. Alright, next. And that's done. Really straightforward. Now I'm going to have to restart this machine. Okay, so now we need to go to Cloud Server Agent Management Console. And I need to log in using the login credentials that were given to me by the admin of the CentreStack installation. Now notice, as soon as I log into the management console, I see some shares. Alright. Now this my HR-files folder was set up by me before I did the server agent installation. And so it found that. Let's check that out. Here it is, my HR files. Okay, so if I right-click that and I go to share with specific people, you can see that both user1 admin and user2 have read-write permissions on that. We go inside, we've got two folders. Here's user1's folder. Now user1 is the admin, so user1 has read-write permission on this, and there's no permissions for user2. We go to user2 files. We can see that user2 has read-write and user1 has read-write as well, because they're administrator on this folder. Okay. So my users' permissions and my users can be migrated to the CentreStack installation. So I'm going to hit migrate. Let's make this a two-way synchronization. Data and permissions will be synced to the cloud. A two-way sync will occur afterwards. Hit continue. Migrate user/folder permission. Synchronize folder permission automatically. Let's hit migrate. And there we are. So this part is done. Now I go back into my dashboard. I'm logged into Acme Cloud. Let me just hit refresh. And there's my HR files. Okay, and it's also added user 1, admin, and user 2. So let's go to my folders, or my files. And there's user 1 and user 2. And I'm going to see how I'm logged in. I'm logged as an admin. So let's go ahead and log that admin out and log in as user 1 admin. And we'll sign in. Okay, now I can see both folders. Let's go to user 2's folder. Since I'm not user 2, I'm user 1, as you can see right here. Now let's change a file. So this says versions. There's 3 of them. Ignore that. That was just me doing some testing before I started this tutorial. So what I'm going to do is download this file, and then I'll open it up. And there's my previous testing. So let's get rid of this. And we'll say edited by user 1. Let's save. And then I'll open that up. And I will push that file back up. It says file user 2 already exists. Upload and replace? Yes. You see now we have version 4. And my previous tests are unknown here, but my version 4 is user 1 admin updated this file at this time. Okay? Okay, let me go back here and go into user 1's folder. And we'll hit download. Open that one up. User 1. Edited by user 1. Save. Okay, now we have 2 versions of that file. The admin's initial upload and user 1's modification. Now let's log user 1 out, and we'll log user 2 in. Now here's user 1's folder. I'm not able to access that because remember I was set up in my permissions to not have access to that folder, and those permissions were carried over. User 2. I can download this file and open it up. Now it added a 1 in parentheses here because Windows does that. If it already sees a file, it appends the numbers to that. But we'll fix that. So this is edited by user 1, and I'm going to edit as well. We'll hit save. And we'll take a look at this. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of the first one. And then we have to rename this because that's the only way that the cloud will know that this is the same file. Drag that up there. Yep. Okay, now we have 5 versions, and the newest one was edited by user 2. So now we'll log out user 2, log back in user 1, and we'll go check that out. Edited by user 1, edited by user 2 also. So as you can see, it maintains that synchronization. We'll check one more thing while we're here. Let's go back and look at our original folder. and see if it did it there as well. User 2. Edited by user 2 also. So as you can see, it maintains that synchronization between the cloud and the local shared folder, and it also synchronizes the users and permissions. Hopefully that was helpful. Please share and like this video so that we can get the word out, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.